Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out and reviewing the Farmacy Very Cherry Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. Okay, so I got this in a BoxyCharm. So like I said, it's by the brand Farmacy. Oh, it's limited edition. Damn. Made exclusively for BoxyCharm. Now I'm upset. Okay, so let's back up and we're going to actually talk about same company, different balm, but still the same effect. So I did not realize that this specific one was made exclusively for BoxyCharm. However, I have tried another one from them, which is, I'm on their website, it's the Green Clean one. So it looks like it retails for $34, and that is the 3.4 fluid ounce, which is exactly what this one is. So you can see it's actually pretty big. I don't know how to compare it for you. So I've actually tried both. I've tried obviously this one because I now have it, but I have tried the Green Clean one as well that I've gotten before. I just never did a video on it. And honestly, they work the same in my opinion. The only difference is the smell. Honestly, I don't remember the smell for this one, for the Green Clean. I know it had a smell, but it was pretty faint in my opinion. However, this one is very, very, very intense for cherry smell. It's like the, ew, I did not clean this very well. It's the artificial cherry smell. Oh, and I love it. I'm so disappointed that this is limited edition and only for BoxyCharm because I love this smell. Oh God, it's so good. As far as the product though, to me, it's exactly like their Green Clean one. I don't know if they're claiming to have it for it to be any different, but in my opinion, it worked the exact same. So, unfortunately, if you don't have BoxyCharm, you can't get this one, but you can get the Green Clean one off of Farmacy's website, and I also believe they're sold at Sephora. Let me double check before I run my mouth. They are! Okay. So it's also sold at Sephora. I'm so irritated right now because I love the smell of this. So Sephora has two options. It has the 3.4 ounce, which is the size for $34, and they have the 1.7 ounce for $22. AKA you should get the bigger one because it's not much of a difference in price, but a pretty big difference in product size. So let's just read the claims for the Green Clean. It's a makeup remover and face cleanser that melts virtually all makeup, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. Does this say anything different? Okay, right on here even says, it's a pink cherry scented version of our best-selling Green Clean Cleansing Balm. So it's literally just a different smell and look and color. Melts up makeup, hydrated, silky smooth. So they are pretty much the exact same. Only difference is color and smell, it looks like. So you can still get this, just not in the smell, which I'm actually sad about. I can't stop smelling it because I just love the smell. My husband hates it. He's not an artificial cherry person. Anyways, so for this bigger size, the smaller size did not come with this when I got it. I don't know if it does now, but when I bought when I got the Clean Green one, it did not come with a spatula. I don't know if that has to do with the size, but this one, and I do see on the pictures that the 3.4 ounce of the Green Clean does too. It does come with a little spatula and the little like place to put it. So you just take this off and the product's down below, and so then you can just scrape it out. I love this product. So let me go ahead and stop talking and let you see me take this off, and then we'll keep talking. Oh my God. Oh my God. It smells so good. Okay, so now that you've seen how it works, pretty self-explanatory, I would assume, but just in case, that's why we show. So you just, you know, take it. I take the size of the spatula, so I just do one scoop that fits on the spatula and I call it good. I don't know if it actually tells you how much. Nope, not really. I really like this. Obviously, I've talked about it a lot already, but I love the smell. Like I said before, I don't necessarily remember there being an intense smell of the other one. It's more like essential oily smell if I remember right. So that part's a bummer. Other than the smell, this to me works really, really good. I feel like it does take off a lot of your makeup. It does take off pretty good with eyeshadow. I had intense eyeliner that did not really want to come off just normally, and with this it was pretty easy to actually take it off, so I do really like that. It doesn't sting my eyes. The only thing that stings my eyes is my damn face wipes, because I'm weird and I don't like rinsing this off. Like, that's what you're supposed to do, is after you're done you are supposed to rinse with warm water or wipe it off with a damp cloth. I don't know why. I don't like doing the damp cloth, just because then to me that's using so much cloth and I don't like doing laundry. And then I just am, to me personally, when I don't like rinsing off Meltaway Balms. Just, I feel like it takes forever to try to get it off for any of them, not just this product, but any Meltaway Balms. So I actually do something you probably shouldn't do, because this is still supposed to keep your skin hydrated, and then what I do dehydrates you. But I use a makeup wipe to then wipe it off. So that's what stings my eyes. This does not. I did it last night without the makeup wipe, just to verify that it was in fact just my makeup wipe, like I assumed, and it was. So to me, this is a really, really good balm. I actually really enjoy it, and I think it does come off, or it does take off a lot of your makeup. I would definitely recommend the Green Clean one because it's the same thing, just different smell and different color, but it does the exact same. It, according to this, is the same product. So I definitely recommend picking it up because it does work really well. And for me, I do kind of have sensitive skin, but definitely the eyes. With me, Meltaway Balms, the problem is my eyes. I feel like too many of them sting my eyes, and this product does not. This product, also the Green Clean, this is really weird that I don't have it in my hand. But yeah, I think they're a really good product. I definitely recommend getting it. I wish they would have this not be limited edition and not through BoxyCharm only, because I'm obsessed with the smell of this. So that's my only downside and my only complaint. But yeah, that is all I have for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.